What if one of the most important AI companies of the future isn't building chatbots, but instead is building the intelligence that could control robots, drones, and autonomous machines? Imagine a fleet of drones taking off, communicating with each other, adapting to changing conditions, and completing a mission without a human controlling every movement. That's the opportunity Palladyne AI is going after. And today, we're going to look at what Palladyne AI actually does, why its technology could become increasingly important, and the risks investors need to understand. Palladyne AI, ticker symbol PDYN, is focused on something known as embodied AI. Instead of AI simply generating text or pictures, embodied AI gives machines intelligence in the physical world. The idea is to allow robots and autonomous systems to understand their surroundings, make decisions, learn, and carry out tasks with less human intervention. Think of it as giving a robot not only a body, but also a brain. And this could become a huge market as AI moves from our computers into factories, vehicles, drones, and machines. Palladyne has several important technologies. First is Palladyne IQ. This is designed to help robots and industrial machines understand their environment and adapt to different situations. Then there is SwarmOS. This could be particularly important because it allows multiple drones or autonomous machines to operate together as a coordinated group. Instead of having one human controlling one drone, imagine dozens or potentially hundreds of machines communicating and working together. Palladyne also has Palladyne Pilot, aimed at autonomous flight for unmanned aerial vehicles. And one of the big attractions of Palladyne's approach is that the software is designed to work across different types of hardware. So Palladyne doesn't necessarily need to build every robot. It could provide the intelligence that makes other companies' machines smarter. The opportunity goes far beyond the military. Imagine intelligent robots working in manufacturing plants, autonomous mining equipment operating in dangerous environments, robots inspecting oil and gas infrastructure, machines working in warehouses, agricultural robots, or autonomous systems used during disasters. Anywhere that repetitive, dangerous, or complex physical work needs to be performed could potentially benefit from this kind of technology. And that is why embodied AI could become one of the next major stages of the artificial intelligence revolution. This is where Palladyne becomes particularly interesting. Think about NVIDIA. NVIDIA became hugely important because its chips provide the computing power behind AI. Palladyne's opportunity is different. It wants to provide some of the intelligence that allows machines to make decisions in the real world. So instead of making every robot itself, the potentially much bigger opportunity could eventually be licensing software across many different robotic platforms. Imagine Palladyne software running on drones, industrial robots, autonomous vehicles, and defense systems produced by completely different manufacturers. If that ecosystem developed, the scalability could be significant. Palladyne has also been transforming its business. The company has expanded further into defense, made strategic acquisitions, and secured additional U.S. Air Force work. Management has also been targeting a substantial increase in revenue as the company moves from technology development toward commercialization. That doesn't guarantee success, but it does mean Palladyne is moving beyond simply talking about what its technology could do. The next major test will be whether it can convert these opportunities into larger contracts, recurring revenue, and eventually profitability. And this is extremely important. Palladyne is still a small and speculative company. Revenue is relatively modest. Profitability is not established. Competition in AI, robotics, and defense technology is intense. Much larger companies have substantially greater resources. So execution will be everything. Having impressive technology is one thing. Turning that technology into a large, profitable business is another. But this is why Palladyne AI is worth watching. AI is beginning to move out of our screens and into the physical world. Robots are going to need intelligence. Drones are going to need autonomy. Machines are going to need to make decisions. And if Palladyne can become one of the companies supplying that intelligence, this small business today could potentially become a much more important company tomorrow. What do you think? Could Palladyne AI become a major player in the robotics revolution? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more stock and technology deep dives. This video is for education and entertainment only and is not financial advice.